Where are we going today?
We're going to IKEA.
Yes. Why do you look away when the camera's on you? Hey? I just want to put you in the vlog. Kimchi, please. Wow. Okay, I'll get my manager to speak to yours. Day 2 of inspecting the wildlife out here. This is another one of these flying horses that I found out in Dublin. What is that? Oh my god, a snail. You'll recognize these from South Africa. Nothing else around the door today to terrify me? No? No. Just this flying horse. A never-ending story of nightmares, it seems. Maybe we could just chow. Let's get one of these maybe. Choose like, yeah. Because then we can eat that while we walk. That looks so good. Yeah, bye-bye. So what are you doing here, babe? Can you give us a lesson quickly? When you frame it like that,
yes.
Right?
So
okay.
You see,
all right.
It's not ideal that there's a bin.
There's a man there. Yes, I know.
But you do that, and then you tap on it to focus it, and then you just frame it up nice.
You tap where? You didn't tap anyway. Where did you tap?
I tapped on the.
Cut one open for you.
I can buy them open.
Large. Okay.
We're in central Dublin.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Great. Fantastic. Oh my god, it just keeps going. We'll just make it look like we drove here. And then I'll just be like, oh, IKEA, no ways. Because nobody will know because I didn't film anything on the bus.
Yeah.
First time at IKEA. Is that going to be backwards when I put this into the timeline, do you think? First time at IKEA. Hello, bonjour. Bye, 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 bye. So, oh, that's that blow out much. So successful day at IKEA, and we got some small stuff, put up some shelves, and now we're going to the beach. What you got there? Oh, lovely, lovely. Can you say it again for us? Croissant, right?
A croissant.
Oh, look. Have the hyperlapse go forward, right? In the middle part needs to go around something, so a landmark, but we're on a hill, so I don't know where we're going to find that. Right. But in the second part of the hyperlapse, just all the way up that like fake line's head. Not many people know this, but House gardening community is famous for growing. What is that called?
Sulky.
A sulky. I don't understand. Sulky. Like the chicken. Did you know that the NSI in South Africa, so South African version of this, saved my dad's life once.
Really?
Yeah. Aye. It's a food. What you got there? What you got? Oh, fish and chips. Oh, yo, I haven't seen chips that big. Heckers, my bro. What's that? Chicken nuggies.